Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an impressive eco-friendly solution for renewable energy, the 20,000 W vertical axis wind turbine generator kit. We found this product online and have included the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this wind turbine? This innovative generator kit features a powerful vertical axis design optimized for maximum efficiency in harnessing wind energy. With its impressive 20,000 watt capacity, it's designed to provide a reliable energy source for various applications, from home energy solutions to more specialized setups. One of the standout features of this wind turbine is its advanced precision injection molded blades. These blades are crafted with an optimized aerodynamic shape and structural design, enhancing their ability to capture wind energy effectively. This means consistent power generation, whether you're using it for home solar lighting, monitoring systems, or even marine energy solutions. Another notable feature is the turbine's nylon fiber blades. These lightweight blades are not only durable but also operate efficiently in a wide temperature range, from a chilly -40 degrees Celsius to a scorching 80 degrees Celsius. This makes the turbine perfect for year-round applications, regardless of the environment. Plus, it generates power at wind speeds as low as 2 meters per second, thanks to its self-adjusting design that automatically captures the wind direction, no manual yaw adjustments needed. When it comes to noise and vibration, this wind turbine excels as well. Equipped with advanced double bearings, it offers a super quiet operation while minimizing vibrations. This compact design ensures that you can enjoy sustainable energy without the distraction of loud noise, making it suitable for both eco-conscious homes and businesses. Installation is a breeze with this kit, too. It comes complete with everything you need for a quick setup, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. The kit includes practical materials, ensuring straightforward installation and maintenance. Plus, it's compatible with various solar panels, allowing you to tailor your energy solutions to fit your specific needs. Now,